Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you this beautiful subtle makeup tutorial. It is very easy to follow. I will be using the new palette from Too Faced. So if you want to see how I did it, don't move.
I'm starting off with one eye all ready to go, and now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with a concealer, and then I will be applying some of these Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade on my brows. And to clean everything off, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some more of that concealer. Moving on to this beautiful orange eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with a fluffy brush all over the crease of the eye. Then I will be using a smaller tapered blending brush, and I will be getting this pink shadow, and I will keep it right on the crease of the eye. I will be using circular motions to make sure that it is blended out, and then I will also apply it on the bottom lashes with a smudging brush. Moving on to the lid of the eye, notice that I am using a flat brush and I am tapping the shadow to the lid, and that is going to give me more color and precision. Now with the same brush, I am going to apply this shadow right the inner lid of the eye, and that is going to give me more dimension to the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the same tapered brush and just blend out that pink shadow, and then for the tear dot, I am going to apply this gold color right on it. Now for the brow bone, I will be getting lighter type of color, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it right on the brow bone. With a smaller brush, I will be lining my waterline with this beautiful burgundy color, and then I will be creating a very subtle eye look. I will prep my lashes for falsies. Next, I will be applying some primer, and now I'm just going to apply some of that concealer where I need it. I will not be using foundation for today, and I'm using my beauty blender to apply my foundation. I am going to do a quick bronzing, nothing fancy, and for that I'm using my favorite palette. And after that, I am going to apply, of course, the blush, and for the highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and pop in this golden highlight from this palette. For the lip color, I wanted something kind of red but not too bright, so I came up with this combo, and this is the final look. Well, my friends, I hope that you like this tutorial, and I'll see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.